Hey everyone, today we are diving into something super cool. It's called Transformer and Attention. These are some of the most powerful tools in AI today. Uses in chatbots, translation, and much more. In this video, we will break it down in simple terms so you can understand how they work and why they are so important. Let's get started. So, what are transformers? So, it's not a robot from the movie that we see. Transformers are a type of AI model that help computer understand language. Unlike older models, they don't just read words in order. They look at the whole sentence as one. This makes them much faster and smarter at things like writing, translating, and answering questions. So, what are the embeddings? Before AI can with words, work with words, it had to turn them into number. That's what embedding do. They take word and turn them into a vector or list of a numbers. There are two types: static embedding, same number for same word, like into word to vec. And the second one is contextual embedding, different number based on the meaning, like GBT and BERT. This help AI understand that bank can mean a place for money or the side of a river depending on the sentence. So AI turned word into a number, but how did it choose the right word when making a sentence? So it used a function called softmax. This helped AI pick the most likely next word by turning a bunch of the number into a probability. The biggest, the biggest number get picked. So what is the attention? This is the game changer. Attention mechanism. AI doesn't just look at one word at a time. It decides which words are important when reading a sentence. For example, in the sentence, the cat sat on the mat. AI learned that cat and sat are more connected than cat and the. This is why AI today is so much better at understanding meaning. So multi-head attention and looking in a different way. Imagine you reading a sentence. You might look at the different part at the same time. Some word for meaning, some for grammar. That's what multi-head attention does. Instead of just one attention layer, Transformer use multiple as one to catch all possible relationship in a sentence. So how Transformer work and encoder and decoder does. So how does Transformer actually do things like translate the text? They have two parts: encoder, part one reading the input and understand it, and the second part is decoder, takes that understanding and create output. For example, if you give it English, the encoder understand it and the decoder write it in French. Model like GPT mostly use the decoder, while BRT focus on the encoder. So let's move on for the next slide. Positional encoding and keyword order. AI looks at the word all as one, but that means it doesn't know the order of the words. To fix that, we use positional encoding, a small tweak that tell AI where each word is in the sentence. This way, it know I love pizza is different from pizza love me. So feed forward network, FFN, extra brain power. Transformer don't just stop with attention. They also have extra layers called feed forward networks. This help AI refine its prediction and get even better at understanding language. So training transformers, how AI learns. So how do transformers get so smart? They train on a ton of text from book, websites, and more sources. They learn by predicting, mixing words, and correcting mistakes using a method called self-supervised learning. This process repeats millions of times, make them better at understanding and generating text. And for the summarizing of this lecture, what we learned. So we learned it that transformers are super powerful for working with text. Embedding turn words into number. Attention helps AI focus on important words. Multi-head attention lets AI see different relationship in a sentences. And positional encoding help it remember word order. And feed forward network make prediction even better. And then training is what make AI smarter over time. And then if you want to dive in deeper, check out this awesome resource, 3 Blue 1 Proud video on Transformers and Code Basic simple explanation of Transformers. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something cool about how AI understanding language.